Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add RedotPay Virtual Card to Google Pay. So first of all, simply launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link in the description in order to sign up. And this way you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now, when you open the RedotPay app, simply tap on the option of card, and here you are going to see the information about your virtual card. Now over here you need to also open your Google Wallet and make sure that it is already installed on your device. If it is not installed, you can just simply go on the Play Store and you can download it and sign up with the help of your email address. Now you need to come here and then tap on the option of add to Google Wallet option here in the bottom. Now tap on the option of add to wallet and you will be redirected inside your Google Wallet, where you just have to do nothing but to just simply tap on the option of Google Wallet. And after doing this, you just have to return to your RedotPay app and then simply open your virtual card. Then you need to copy or view your card details like its card number, the expiration date and the CVV, and then you need to enter these details into Google Pay. You can also scan the card if that option is available. This way you can complete the verification process by following the on-screen instructions. Once the verification is successful, your RedotPay virtual card will be added to your Google Pay wallet and it will be ready for the supported transactions. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.